Good day, everyone.
Sharing a maritime event, highlighting its interesting history as well as significance. History that I'll be sharing to you guys is the history of MB Dai Hong done hijacking, which tends to happens on October 29 in the year of 2007, which is North Korean cargo ship MV Dai Hong Dan was hijacked by Somali pirate disguised as security guards off the coast of Mogadishu, Somalia. So the ship's 22-member crew later fought back, regaining control of the vessel with assistance from the nearby U.S. Navy destroyer USS James E. Williams. With several pirates captured or killed, and North Korea unexpectedly thanked the United States for a moment of cooperation between the two countries. So what is actually the significance of this history? History has a significance which highlighted a rare moment of cooperation between the North Korea and the US, showcasing the bravery of merchant crews, resisting piracy, and emphasized the importance of international naval efforts to combat Somali piracy.
Dutch War event, which happens in May 30, 1781, and occurred at Cabo de Santa Maria in the Mediterranean. Two British frigates, the Flora and the Crescent, clashed with Dutch frigates Castor and De Grail. These emerged victorious, capturing one Dutch frigate and forcing the retreat of the other with significant casualties on both sides. In this event, naval battles were crucial for controlling sea lanes, enabling global trade and movement. So, they impact economies through black trade, supported colonial expansion, and drove technological innovation in warfare. From ancient ships to modern carriers, naval power often determined the rise and reach of empires. So that's all. Thank you.
That's all everyone,
This is Cadet Quijano.
and this is Cadet Tertugo. I hope you